Hi, everyone. My name is Jay Henderson. I run offering and product management here for our marketing portfolio. Given some of our recent announcements, I wanted to spend a few minutes today reviewing the news and, more importantly, reassuring you about our product roadmaps. Just a few weeks ago at our user conference, IBM Think, we stood on stage and told you that we would announce something big soon. That something has all of us excited about the future, more excited than we've ever been. And that something starts now. Centerbridge Partners announced that it plans to acquire IBM's marketing platform and commerce offerings. This, of course, is still pending regulatory review and other closing conditions. After the close, the intent is that these offerings will form the foundation of a new marketing and advertising technology company. We're still working on the name for this new company, but should be announced shortly after the deal closes. This company will deliver a comprehensive portfolio of modern solutions to meet the CMO's biggest challenges. The industry-leading products you know and love today, everything from campaign automation to Content Hub, will be the foundation of this exciting future. Additionally, Centerbridge is committed to investing in these solutions and accelerating their roadmaps. Our goal is to create a company that can lead the marketing and advertising software industry for years to come. Above all, you, our clients, will benefit the most in this new chapter. You've always been at the center of everything we do. For you, we've spent the last 2.5 years making significant investments in the products. For you, we've made tremendous strides in embedding AI into the marketer's workflow, designing products that are intuitive and easy to use, and connecting your ecosystem by being an open marketing platform. None of that will change at the new company we're forming after this deal closes. Both IBM and Centerbridge are committed to a smooth transition and minimizing any disruption. You can continue business as usual. And with Centerbridge's investment, our roadmaps can be accelerated and we can enter new product categories so that we continue to be your vendor of choice now and in the future. Since I joined IBM, I've been amazed by the talented people who surround these products and help solve our customers' needs every day. I can't emphasize enough how the people who power these platforms today are crucial to our vision for its future. We've always been laser-focused on delivering purpose-built AI for marketers, creating an open and connected ecosystem with modern and proven products for the next generation of marketing. This is a pretty unique opportunity we've got to take these great products and advance them even further. This next chapter is a chance to go forward and define the industry. I can't wait to share more about our plans in the coming weeks, but in the meantime, I wanted to drill into our current product roadmap. In this webinar, I'm going to highlight 5 key innovations in our marketing portfolio. Let's start with our analytics portfolio. I think it's easy for all of us to admit that we need to do a better job understanding our customers. There's no better tool for this than Customer Experience Analytics, or CXA for short. CXA includes our heritage Core Metrics Digital Analytics, T-Leaf, and our new Journey Analytics. Over the last year, we've doubled down on our investment in CXA and T-Leaf. That's only accelerating here in 2019. We started 2019 with a big splash. We announced a new version of T-Leaf on-premise. We're rolling out a major upgrade this June. We've worked closely with many of you to innovate, to bring value, and to help you scale your business with this version 10 release. Protecting consumer privacy has been a cornerstone of our work here. It's why we were one of the first marketing platforms to openly support GDPR compliance with product updates, best practices, and marketing guides. Today, we're taking that relentless focus on privacy the next level. We've introduced a new capability for Tea Leaf called Privacy Mode. Privacy Mode is an industry first. It allows you to restrict the data that's captured and limit that data to critical team members like legal and fraud departments. Not only that, Privacy Mode will block the actual session replay and instead simulate the session for you. This lets you protect consumer privacy while still getting the benefits of understanding user experiences. Across the board, whether you deploy Tea Leaf SaaS or on-premise, we're making Tea Leaf even easier to use. Setting up events in Tea Leaf is now way more simple. We are putting that power in the hands of a casual business user. Session replays are also easier to find, making it faster than ever to identify struggles in your existing user experience. While Tea Leaf is so much more than just replay, we know how important the replay experience is. We've made replays smoother, and we've scaled them to include more devices and more platforms. This new replay experience gives you better insight on both web and mobile devices, allowing you to better understand your customers. Now, using our software to find hidden opportunities feels more like watching a YouTube video than using powerful enterprise software. We just rolled out AI-powered anomaly detection for Tea Leaf. This helps marketers quickly focus on what's most important in their customer experience. For example, what if you had a global spike in traffic to a campaign landing page, coming out of nowhere? Sounds like something you'd want to know about, right? Or what if, after a site update, you stop seeing any purchases from users on Android devices? Tea Leaf's embedded AI detects these anomalies in the user experience automatically while they're happening and proactively alerts you in real time. This way, you don't have to wait for your revenue to decline before you realize there's something wrong. Altogether, the barrier for entry for Tea Leaf is lower than ever. We've shortened the learning curve, and we're helping you get more people on your teams using it. We've also deepened our commitment to journey analytics. We're injecting machine learning into the mounds of data coming into CXA to automatically show you common patterns of customer journeys so you can easily see where to pay attention, and you can understand which touch points to act on. The way you interact with our analytics is changing as well. We're rolling out our AI-powered Watson Assistant across CXA. The assistant provides insights on your customer experience for you. You get to use natural language, and all you need to do is ask. We continue to connect more and more of your marketing applications together through our Universal Behavior Exchange, or UBX. A new enhancement to UBX we call Capture unifies your website tags. Capture enables you to share common user IDs and common session IDs across all your analytics tools, making it even easier to connect your existing analytics stack to the rest of your marketing tools. We've also added over 40 new UBX partners, including new endpoints for Salesforce ExactTarget, Oracle Responses, and Urban Airship. This is in addition to our two most popular UBX endpoints, Adobe Analytics and Google Analytics. We added endpoints for cloud databases like Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage, and IBM Cloud Object Store. We added a new FTP endpoint. Our commitment to open ecosystem is clear. We'll integrate with whatever platforms you have in your marketing ecosystem. So now that we've got a little bit of a sense on how we can better understand our customers, let's talk about how we make sure we have the right content to engage them. Great creative, as we all know, is often at the center of our marketing. Sure, we can engage customers, we can run campaigns, But without the right content, what's the point? We want to put content at the center of your workflow. With Content Hub, we're making it easy to manage and deliver content through any marketing channel. It's built from the ground up as a modern and intuitive experience. It's designed to work across your entire marketing suite. Content Hub started out as a headless content engine and a set of microservices that could provide content as a service. But last year, we added business user tooling for managing multiple websites, and we introduced AI tagging for our asset management. AI-based tagging uses machine learning to recognize images and automatically suggest metadata and tags as the images are uploaded. This saves marketers from hours of rote and error-prone work to manually add metadata to content. This year, we're adding even more CMS and DAM functionality for marketers to deliver omni-channel content. On our roadmap is content version control with rollback, real-time personalization for sites, managing multilingual content, and adding new skills for our AI-powered marketing assistant to help with content. Okay, now that we've got our campaign content sorted out, we can begin to think about orchestrating and executing our customer engagement. That starts by acquiring the right customers, and the workhorse of customer acquisition is advertising. You've got a whole ecosystem of ad tech you're using today to make this happen. And historically, this stack has been very separate from your MarTech that runs email, push, SMS, and other owned channels. Ad tech plus MarTech. You've been hearing about some supposed convergence of these two technology stacks for years in trade journals and analyst reports and from vendors like me. Finally, we're making substantial progress to connect these previously two disparate worlds. IBM Media Optimizer is a DSP, demand-side platform, and a DMP, data management platform, powered by our partner MediaMath, brought to you by Watson Marketing. This solution is designed to work hand in hand with your marketing automation tools. Customer profiles can now be used to target audiences across paid, owned, and earned channels. We've got out-of-the-box two-way data flow between ad tech and MarTech. Watson Marketing captures data about customers and allows you to create sophisticated audiences. These audiences can be activated into Media Optimizer using UBX. You can then target those exact people or use that list as a seed for lookalike targeting. Media Optimizer returns data about what impressions have been served and whether or not they were clicked. Let me bring this to life with a really simple story from one of our customers. A large bank used IBM Campaign to create some microsegments of customers and which products they own. Then, using UBX, they activated these audiences into their DSP. They used each audience as a suppression list from advertising for those products. Basically, they just stopped marketing products to customers that already own them. Now, shockingly, they discovered that this saves them 20% of their marketing spend. I'm not even talking yet about infusing AI into things. This is basic blocking and tackling. And of course, it's been possible before to combine this kind of data, but we can do it out of the box using UBX. You don't have to hire a system integrator or get into an IT project queue to make it happen. But we all know the landscape of ad tech presents some limitless possibilities with artificial intelligence. AI is producing some jaw-dropping results and improving advertising ROI. There's some big things on the horizon for our Media Optimizer solution, so don't be afraid to ask about our early adopter program, where we're piloting a solution to apply AI to the advertising bidding process. Okay, campaign automation. Campaign automation has gone through a massive transformation. We just launched a new navigation experience. Now, customers have one login, one URL, one IBM ID that can be used across the product and shared across other IBM solutions. It's a modern design with an emphasis not only on ease of use, but also customization. The new sidebar allows users to pin their favorite pages so they can get around faster with fewer clicks. And of course, it provides access to our AI-powered marketing assistant, which can help make some of the most repetitive tasks easier. The assistant can pull reports, compare campaigns, and do real-time analysis on marketing performance. All of these multi-step tasks are accessible through natural language. All you need to do is ask. But one of our biggest requests from customers is to improve the message design experience. Well, I'm excited to share that we're previewing our new campaign design experience. It's been rewritten from the ground up, powered by the same technology used in our Content Hub. This new experience makes designing the content of your messages more reliable, more modern, and integrated across the rest of your marketing tools. We've currently got a preview release of these capabilities, and we're conducting hands-on sessions to collect feedback and refine the features. Another powerful feature of campaign automation is the new programs interface. This helps you orchestrate multi-wave, multi-channel campaigns. With programs, customers already create powerful multi-path campaigns. This year, we're enhancing programs even more. We're adding advanced routing capabilities. We're adding new actions. We're allowing you to reduce the wait time intervals between touch points. All of this will allow you to build sophisticated marketing campaigns that deliver engaging digital experiences for your customers. We're also infusing AI directly into the program's interface. Most AI is passive, meaning it's waiting for you to invoke it in order to perform a task. But what if the AI could invoke you when something needs your attention? We're doing just that, beginning in programs and expanding throughout the year to other parts of our platform. Let's talk a little bit about what this really means. We all have goals for our campaigns. Maybe you set them by open rate or click rate, or maybe you just monitor the size of the audience. Today, you can't really tell how you're doing against those goals unless you never leave your desk. You sit there kind of constantly refreshing the browser and watching results trickle in. Or maybe you use our assistant and you repeatedly ask it a question every few minutes. Well, we recently announced AI-powered anomaly detection and program. The AI moves from passively responding to your requests to a proactive state, continuously monitoring the performance of the campaigns as they're in flight. This way, if something seems out of the ordinary, such as a dramatic drop or significant spike, you get alerted. So now you're no longer chained to your desk. I like to call this feature the ability to go to lunch. In campaign automation, we'll also continue to add support for new channels and enhance our support of existing ones. So for social audiences, we've recently added support for a new channel, LinkedIn Ads. This is in addition to our existing support for Google, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And in Facebook, we're supporting new ad types like the slideshow and carousel formats. In mobile, the analysts already rank us as the only marketing cloud in the leader category, but we're not resting on our laurels. We're expanding our SMS capabilities to natively support SMPP. This is allowing us to add more local SMS providers with better pricing and better local service. We're also building more advanced location capabilities for our mobile app push. Altogether, campaign automation is becoming easier to use, enhanced by advanced AI capabilities, and expanding its reach to meet your customers wherever they are. So that's campaign automation. Next, I want to talk about personalization. Last year, we released real-time personalization. It's a great way for marketers to personalize the content in your digital channels. Using AI, marketers can design a unique experience for every customer. But the pages you create for your website aren't the only thing that leads to a personalized experience. I want to talk about search. Yep, search. I think we can all agree that search engines like Google work really well. You can find just about anything you want. And so for me, and I think a lot of you, it's all the more frustrating that on-site search is so bad. This is particularly important if you're a retailer, because 70% of shoppers use on-site search. Half of them go straight to the search bar. It's the very first thing they do when they get to the site. And shoppers that use the search bar to find what they're looking for are twice as likely to convert. So getting this right is critical. But we haven't. We haven't gotten it right at all. 1/3 of all shoppers on every site can't find what they're looking for. Most of those customers leave your site never to return. And what happens when they abandon your site? They go back to Google instead. And who else shows up in the Google results? Your competitors. So why is it so bad? Really, this on-site search experience is bad because most of these solutions are powered by simple keywords. They only match the keywords you type into the search box to the terms on your pages. Let's imagine a scenario where I'm home instead of in the office recording this webinar, and my faucet in the sink is leaking. I'd probably go to a home improvement site and type in how to fix a sink. What would I get? Keyword results for new sinks. Now, all I'm seeing is irrelevant results and the price tag of the worst case scenario, buying a whole new sink. Today's keyword search results are fine for understanding the what, but it tells us nothing about why. What if we could take a different approach? One that uses AI to understand why customers are searching. Are they trying to buy something right now? Or are they researching to better understand the problem they have? Maybe they understand that problem, but they're trying to discover products that help solve it. Or perhaps they're just trying to get assistance with something they've already bought, a return, trapped shipping, or just get a question answered. We're going to fix on-site search. I'm thrilled to announce personalized search, a brand new capability that we're building into real-time personalization. It's designed to bring the power of AI to solve the problem of on-site search. Personalized search can show results from everywhere your brand is. Product pages, sure, but also how-to videos from your YouTube channel, support articles from your customer community, product reviews, and more. And because AI understands human language, it understands the intent behind the search, using that to deliver the best results. The best results based on their search terms, based on their site behaviors, and based on what stage of the customer journey they're in. Now, when I search for how to fix a sink, my first results are how-to videos from the brand's YouTube channel, FAQs posted in their customer community, and product results that aren't sinks, but parts and tools I can use to fix the sink. So these are just 5 areas of innovation in our marketing portfolio. And this is just one of a whole series of webinars we're doing on our roadmaps. If you want to hear additional detail on some part of the portfolio I didn't cover today, look for the schedule of deep dives in each part of our marketing portfolio. And most importantly, as we think about the forthcoming change, please stay tuned. We continue to be laser focused on delivering purpose-built AI for marketers, creating an open and connected ecosystem with modern and proven products for the next generation of marketing. We're being given the opportunity to take these great products and advance them even further. Our next chapter outside of IBM is a chance to go forward and define the industry. I can't wait to share more about our plans, so definitely